My name is Ania Basińska and I would like to present today a small device that you can see behind me, and it's mini bathtub MP2500 Inox. It's made of stainless steel. It's 2.5 meters long, it is 50 centimeters wide, and the height of it is 70 centimeters. You can pour from 100 to 300 liters of water, and what is tricky and nice is that every 100 liters of water you add 1 liter of detergent. You might be asking yourself, do I really need this device? Well, if you already start your business and you don't have many machines, this one will be great as a pre-soaking device before you're gonna scrub your rug on the floor. If you already have an automatic washing machine, this device will be very helpful to pre-soak the rug, so it will save you time and it will give you a better quality of cleaning. If you have the big washing machine, it is also nice to use sometimes when you don't have many rugs to clean. It sometimes happens that you've got weeks where you've got just a few rugs, and then you feel not well to fulfill the big bathtub with tons of water. Then you can use this small device and just pre-soak a few rugs. What we like about this mini bathtub is that it's very mobile, so you can go with it everywhere you need it. And if you don't need it, it can just stay wherever you want. Also, when your unit is really tiny and small, this one will save your place. I just believe this is a really nice small mini bathtub that can be used both in small units, small workshops and huge plants. If you have any questions concerning this device or any other machines of Protima, please ask. Call me, email us, and we'll be very happy to answer all your questions. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We want to be in touch with you. See you soon. Bye-bye.